Beverage cartons are a common sight on our breakfast tables and in our fridges and store cupboards. Approximately 60,000 tonnes of cartons are made every year to package milk, fruit juice and a wide range of food and drink products for the UK market. But what happens to them once they've been used? All the materials used in beverage cartons are fully recyclable, and there are many benefits to recycling them, including reducing raw material use, carbon emissions, and the amount of waste going to landfill. Firstly, cartons should be washed and squashed to maximise space before placing them in the recycling bin. In over half of UK local authority areas, residents can include cartons as part of their curbside recycling scheme. In other areas, they can be taken to bring banks at recycling points. Once the cartons have been collected, they're taken to a sorting facility. Here, the different materials are sorted into separate streams before being baled and transported to the recycling plant. Ace UK and Sunoco Alcor run the UK's only dedicated beverage carton recycling facility based in Stainland, West Yorkshire, which is capable of processing up to 40% of cartons used in the UK each year. When the baled cartons arrive at the recycling plant, they're fed up the conveyor belt and dropped into the pulper. The cartons are first pulped with water for about 20 minutes, breaking the paperboard down into a fibre soup and separating out the thin polymer and aluminium layers, which are used in the carton to prevent leakage and provide an oxygen barrier. The polymer and aluminium are then cleaned and baled ready for recycling into new products or used to recover energy. Once pulped, the fibre mix goes through a number of cleaning stages to screen out contaminants such as glass, grit, stones and glue. The cleaned mix is then passed through the drum thickener, which reduces the water content to the optimum level before being stored in the stock chest, ready for recycling into new products. Carton fibres provide an ideal raw material for the industrial-strength coreboard manufactured at the paper mill on the same site. This is used to make high-quality industrial cores and tubes, onto which paper, fibre yarns and plastic film are wrapped around for industrial applications. These high-quality cores are also fully recyclable. In fact, the fibres produced from beverage cartons are so strong that they can be recycled many times, making them a valuable raw material for new paper-based products and locking in the carbon for longer.
Recycling is a national success story in the UK. We've done incredibly well over the last decade or so through the hard work of local authorities and through consumers changing their behaviour to do their bit for the environment. But a lot of that material has to be sent abroad because the UK doesn't have the recycling capacity for all of the material collected. So for cartons, this plant addresses that, and we hope to be filling it quite soon with 25,000 tonnes of material, thereby keeping the material in the UK and also preventing emissions through exports to Europe or the Far East.